guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about GS paper 1, under which decline of the Mughal Empire. It was related to history, medieval history. That was the most beautiful architecture of Mughal Empire, which was built in 1631 to 1648. Built by Shah Jahan in the memory of her favorite wife, which her name is Mumtaz Mahal. And you can tell me who was visited there and who wanted to go there, because I personally wanted to go there. So let's begin with the question. Our question is, what were the reasons responsible for the decline of the Mughal Empire in India? We have to discuss about it. Means we need to provide introduction about it, then reason behind this, and finally the conclusion. Our introduction would be, the area of yellow color was added by Akbar, and the area in orange color was added by Aurangzeb between 1526 to 1707. The whole area was called Mughal Empire. Our introduction would be, Mughal Empire in India was established by Babur, which ruled almost 2 centuries. It was huge time. It was 18th century that show the decline of Mughal Empire after Aurangzeb's death in 1707. After his diminished, there was no powerful and working ruler. Means they are incompetent, which are left behind. Left in Mughal Empire, weak successor lead weak empire. Then, though decline phase entered with the Aurangzeb and its harsh policies. Which are the harsh policies? That can be added in the behind the decline of Mughal Empire. Aurangzeb religious policies, imposition of jizya, which was a religious tax in 1679 on non-Muslims, then destroying Hindu temples, putting restrictions on the Hindu lead to political debates which create discontent among the Rajput, Maratha, Sikh and Jat. Later it will lead to revolt. Then Deccan expedition. Aurangzeb Deccan expedition lasting at least almost 27 years, that lead to degeneration of the administration of Delhi. The nobles and ministers exploit common people in his absence. Then lack of scientific and technological advances in the administration to improve economy as well as warfare weapons to win any battle. Then naval superiority. Mughal had not focused too much on naval power and its importance in trade expansion. Jagirdari crisis. Financial stability was broke in the last phase of Mughals, leading to Jagirdari and Mansabdari crisis due to power and influence of the Jamindars. Then rise of regional states. Hyderabad, Bengal, Awadh emerged as semi-autonomous state, leading to decentralization of the Mughal Empire. Then absence of definite law of succession. Mughals plugged into series of brutal wars of succession. After death of Aurangzeb, noble and ministers throned weakest son so that they could rule dynasty according to their wishes, and Sayyid brothers Iftikhar Khan were example of these kind of nobles. Invasions of Nadir Shah, Ahmad Shah Abdali caused immense damage to prestige of Mughals. The areas of Nauthera plains were looted and frequent war disturbed economy. Then advent of European technology, policies, political and trade strategies lead to undermine authority of Mughals. Then some other reasons. Socio-economic decline 18th century. Then agrarian crisis in rural economy. Then not much progress in cultural realms. Then decline in the trade and commerce. And our conclusion would be, advent of European and emergence of new states lead to many wars like Battle of Panipat held in 1526, then Battle of Karnal 1739, then Battle of Plassey which was held in 1757, then Battle of Buxar 1784, and continuous formation of new states leading to decline of Mughal Empire.